Empowering the next generation. Bring Rainbow Chefs Academy to your school. Looking to revolutionize the way kids learn about food, nutrition and cooking, Rainbow Chefs Academy offers a dynamic, hands-on program that encourages exploration, creativity, and teamwork. Our program not only teaches children essential culinary skills but also promotes healthy eating habits, a deeper understanding of where their food comes from, and aligns with common core standards in science, math, history, and English. Our courses are flexible and can be delivered during school, as an add-on, elective, or after school. All modules/classes are 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐬 and also follow next-generation science standards, NGSS and STEAM/STEM curriculums. In addition, each module has assessments after each class, and analytics are provided to schools and educators. Join us in empowering the next generation of chefs and food enthusiasts while providing your students with an enriching, educational experience. Contact us today to learn more about how we can bring our program to your school. Reach out to info@rainbowchefs.com and we will get back to you within 24 hours.